So today, guys, it's going to be an amazing day. Hopefully, guys, we can find something great. If not, as always, we've been blessed and we've been blessed with a lot more. So, guys, let's get started with our dumpster diving adventure. What do we have over here? Oh, this is nice. Look at that. Sentry. That's pretty cool. I like that. Let's see what we have over here, you guys. Look as if we got some kind of move out. I gotta put my gloves on. Oh no, I saw a rat. Nope, 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 nope. Let me go. Nope, 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 nope. Nope, 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 nope. No way. Just saw a rat crawling through the stuff. No, thank you. Honeywell. Lifetime permanent keeper 99.7 germ reduction. I wonder if I can get a few bucks for this. We'll see. I'll take it. Look at this. This is nice. Look at this. This is nice. Now this, I am going to take. How am I going to put this on top of my truck by myself? I do not know. But that is nice. Hopefully I can get a helping hand around this boy. Oh gosh. I like this, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave it here, you guys, because this is not functioning properly. It's a bend in the base of this, and I would hate to take this home and put clothes in here and it doesn't hold the clothes properly. So unfortunately, you guys, I'm gonna have to just leave it here. But it's a nice dresser. Yeah, it's not worth taking. I'm just trying to think if I should keep this and have Haley put socks and maybe undies at the top because they're not heavy like pants are. But it's just, look, it's just too much of a, look at that. It says too much of a bend and it's not worth it. So hopefully somebody else can take it and probably utilize it. But I'm going to leave it here for someone else. All right, let's move around. Reaction Kenneth Cole, a bunch of DVDs and CDs. Is that Eminem? Yeah, buddy. Love me some Eminem. He is one of the greatest rappers of all times. A white boy that can do some serious lyrical flows, you guys. If you don't know him, look him up. Eminem, I'm sure you heard of him. as they call him the GOAT, because he is a beast on the mic. Okay. All right, cool. Take this and probably sell the case. Yuck. Look at that. I have a flower pot over here, you guys, and they even left, well, I thought they left some potting soil in there, but they didn't. Oh, look at the cute little mini one. Oh, look at this. This is nice. That's beautiful. Now this I can take. Yeah, honey, look at that. She is gorgeous. I'm trying to see what I can do with it. Look at that garden ridge, you guys. 149 bucks. This is really nice. Make sure the bottom is not caving in. Ooh. Nice. All right, I'm gonna take it. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and move around. All right, you guys, look what we have here. This is nice. I'll take it. Look at that. That's nice. I'm not gonna keep it for myself, actually. Well, I'm gonna donate that. And then we got a bag of stuff up here. Bag of clothes. Let me see what the brand is. Because as you know, expensive brands sell on eBay. I've sold 2 shirts already on eBay. Good Man brand. These can be donated. All right. Okay. We have some perfume right here. Look at that, you guys. Some Lake and Sky perfume. Yeah, buddy. Urban Decay All-Nighter Long-Lasting Setting Spray. Don't want that. But I do want this here. Let me smell it. Oh my gosh. TheBomb.com, y'all. Alright, cool. Alright. Let's see what we have over here today. Old checks. This is nice. Old basket. I'll take that. Some more chips in there that I don't want. I believe this is probably like a bank, and it was filled, and they decided to go ahead and pry it open to get the coins that were hiding in there. That's what that looks like. Sandalwood and musk. The medications. Look at all those medications. Oh my God. Is it prescribed to one person? Yep. Some boots down there. Some more medications. Some ivory soap that somebody can use. Some Suave Juicy Green Apple shampoo. I would take it, but I don't like all of that stuff that's around it, so I'm going to keep that here. Some Polydent toothpaste. Does it have an expiration date on it? Yeah, expired in 18, January 20th, 2018. I'm gonna leave that there, but I am gonna take this soap. I'm sure this is still good to use. Some boots. That's one. Here's another one here. And we have clothes here. Gap extra large pants. These are kind of cute. These can just be washed and used or donated. I think I'm gonna keep these for the summertime. Wear these with a jacket and some sandals. Tommy Hilfiger shirt. This is kind of cute. And then you have these here, some Dickies. Could be donated. You have a shirt here, a cute shirt. Oh, I like this. Top Shop, size 40. US 8. I can use it. I love, love, love these elbow patches here. This is so stinking cute, y'all. I will be keeping that. Ooh, we have a bag here, guys. I told you my bag flew out of the car. Look at it. A nice J. Crew jacket. Nice. Take it. I want this bag though. Yeah, buddy. Put my clothes in here that I found in there. Yeah, buddy. National Outlet Shopping Mall. Okay, sure is. The garbage outlet. Nordstrom. Okay, go put my God. Look at this. And you got a bunch of little toys in here. Bunch of little toys in there. Alright, I'm gonna take this up. Look at all these little Lego booklets. These can probably sell on eBay. And then we have, I believe, some Legos in here. Alright. Got a coat right here, y'all. Jaker, size 6. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. Let me see what that's for. I believe this is leather. Yep, 100% leather collar, 100% wool. Jager. Look at that, honey. Yes, yes. A size 6. I'm going to keep that for my son, Sam. I am not going to give this away. He will be in a 6 pretty soon. I'm going to take this and put this in his closet, get it cleaned. And my baby will be styling and profiling for church, honey. Thank you. Alrighty, we got some beds. Why wouldn't y'all take? Lord, I hope they can take these beds. They saying they might not be able to take the beds. Lord, I hope they can take these beds. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Yeah, ain't nothing wrong with these beds.
They're not
Regular beds from IKEA. Thank you. All right. So this is the base right here. They so easy. It's a little heavy. Thank you. All right, you guys. Let's go ahead and add it to the collection. I am running out of room, you guys. Sit this over here. Put this right there. All right, there we go. Yeah, buddy. All right, you guys, so here it is. Isn't she lovely? All right, you guys, so there it is. Isn't it beautiful? I absolutely love my table being right there. And it goes perfectly with this decor, you guys, that I found dumpster diving, honey. And the wood stain is the perfect match to the wood stain in the doors. So there you have it, you guys. Yeah, buddy. Now for the downstairs kitchen. Look at this, honey. Got the meat on, you guys. I got my taco shell trays here. You guys, check out the dish. Yeah, buddy. So Antoine is going to put some tortilla shells in here, honey. And we're going to put some salsa dip in there, you guys. Another find that I found. Another find that I am so excited to have found, you guys. And again, I'm so grateful and blessed that my family can utilize it. Again, another, yeah, buddy. So guys, that is it. I want to thank you so much for watching. Please do remember to like, comment, subscribe, share. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Make sure you leave comments down in the comments section because I enjoy interacting with you guys. Also, guys, if you are not aware, I have another YouTube channel. And on that channel, guys, you will see my family and I interacting with one another, as well as me doing various things that I decided not to do on this channel. So, guys, if you're interested, make sure you look down in the comment section. I left the link for you there. Also, guys, I am a published author. That's right, guys. I have a great book, guys. And I would love for you to check it out. Make sure, guys, you check your local Barnes & Noble. You go on Amazon and look for the title, Finding Your Treasure. And guess what? The book is even an audiobook with Google Play as well as Audible. Again, look under the title, Finding Your Treasure, and you will be able to see my book. And as always, guys, I'll see you guys in the next YouTube video. I'm on a mission to serve in whatever capacity the Lord sees fit. I had no idea I'd globally impact the world. I took what others threw away and positively changed minds. People in France, Qatar, the Philippines, and other countries are now following me along on this journey.